Welcome to 4850 Oldbridge Drive. I'm Paula Gilmore with the Kuntz team, and I can't wait for you to see this property. When you first pull up, you'll immediately notice the rolling hills, the meandering creek, tennis courts, and over 1 acre of privacy. The wide open first floor features open living spaces, soaring ceilings, lots of windows, and beautiful views outside every window. The first floor owner's suite includes an adjacent office lined with shelves and separate vanity and dressing areas. Walkout lower level is a children's dream come true. Here you'll find a billiard area, game area, recreation room, followed by 5 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths. Multiple deck and outdoor entertaining areas flow off both floors of the home, perfect for hosting guests or enjoying the peacefulness of nature surrounding you. Please contact the Kuntz team for additional information or to schedule a showing.